It's Christmas time. I want to wish all the people of Goa, all the people traveling to Goa as tourists, all the people who are staying abroad, working over there, all the Goans, I want to wish them a Merry Christmas. May this Christmas bring a lot of happiness, joy and prosperity in their family. Once again, a Merry Christmas.
It's Pilani. We have organized this Ideathon just to understand the implication of 5G technology for cybercrime, because 5G technology will bring into its scope large number of services. With large number of services will be digitalized, speed will increase, and the latency will also reduce. So therefore, if you want to see a cricket match, just like as if you are present in the ground, you will make use of virtual reality, augmented reality, but at the same time, the cybercrime will also increase, because large number of devices will be put to connectivity. They will become part of the internet, like your FASTag. So all vehicles will be digitally connected to the network of the National Highway Authority. So sometimes people can make misuse of the FASTag also. Similarly, large number of digital devices, household implements like your refrigerator, like your air conditioner, your electrical meters, they will all be interconnected, to which we say Internet of Things. Internet of Things will become a reality, but at the same time, sometimes antisocial element will also exploit the 5G technology to create havoc in the society. They might hijack your electrical grid network, they might hijack your medical network, like it happened in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, wherein some ransomware attack was reported, and it took almost 3 weeks to restore the network back, and patient services were affected in a big way. Since we are the first responder, and whenever anything happens in the cyberspace with a person, with an individual, the police will be the first agency who will be having an interface with the complainant. So therefore we thought that we will interact with the members of the industry and the academic community, who will explain the full implication of 5G technology and how better we can convey to the public to be more careful when they use the devices which are 5G compliant. Because now large number of devices will be put on the internet. You want to make a payment, so payment will be made at the click of a button. So therefore, people need
this is second time that we are gathering here for the privacy and security. And as you know, the privacy and security is very much important today's whatever you are doing in life. Not only in this payment, all the things, but see what I see. This gathering basically police person is a 90% is a police person, and the police person wants some ideas that how to lead and to find the culprit or adversary. See, we say that police generally say that if this information I get it, I will do. If little bit earlier, so this little bit earlier can 5G can provide. That can in time information reach to police, that we academic trying to give that idea and to help them that how with this technology, 5G technology, we will give the information within time. The important is that they need the information. Without information, police can't do anything. And it should come in time also. So 5G is basically that what you have in time, and information that your experts like cryptographer and all the things, experts comes and they give the information, and these two can make the police to go ahead and catch the culprit.